Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Lightroom on PC. First, let's get your photos into Lightroom. Connect your camera or insert your memory card. Open Lightroom and navigate to the Library module, then click the Import button. You'll select your source folder and choose the images you want to bring in. You can copy, move, or add files, and even apply initial develop settings or metadata during this process. It's a straightforward way to begin your editing journey. Once your photos are imported, effective organization is key. In the Library module, you can use flags to mark images as pics or rejects. Assign star ratings from 1 to 5 stars to highlight your favorite shots. Color labels offer another layer of categorization, perhaps for different clients or themes. Don't forget to add descriptive keywords. They are incredibly powerful for finding specific images later, even across thousands of photos. This systematic approach saves you significant time. Now for the fun part, editing, head over to the Develop module. Start with basic adjustments like exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to get your image looking balanced. Correct any color issues using the white balance tool. The crop tool is essential for improving composition and straightening crooked lines. Finally, enhance detail with sharpening and reduce unwanted grain with noise reduction. These fundamental tools will dramatically improve your photos with just a few clicks. After all your hard work, it's time to share your masterpieces. Select the photos you want to export. Go to File, then Export, or simply click the Export button. You'll choose your file format, like JPEG for web or TIFF for print, and set the image size and resolution. For instance, a common web size might be 2048 pixels on the long edge. Finally, pick your destination folder and decide on a clear naming convention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.